I'm living dangerous today by not using my guard. All right, our dough looks good. Look at how good that looks. It smells yeasty and delicious. I got a damp towel, so I'm just gonna put that on top. Plunk in our dough balls. They're gonna go in for like about 30 seconds. All right, those look great. So we're gonna just spread them on our parchment paper so they're not touching. I'm just going like this to try to break up any more of that egg. So again, just a nice little boop boop. Okay, 12 to 14 minutes. Look at how good those are. Let's give this a try. Yummy.